Hi, my name's Jassy and today I'm going to show you how to make strawberry gin and tonics. Okay, so strawberries are fantastic generally, but they're especially good in cocktails. I've got a lovely 250 gram bowl of strawberries. First thing I'm going to do is hull the strawberries. So hulling the strawberries is pulling off the leaves and, if necessary, just running a little knife around to get a little bit of green stalk out, so just a little hull. This strawberry is a little bit mushy, but that's actually brilliant for this. This cocktail is a really good way of using up any strawberries that have got a bit sad or mushy in the fridge, because you don't want to waste them. Piling them into a cocktail is the best thing to do. Right, I've got a lovely pile of hulled strawberries now. I'm going to muddle them in this jug, and to help that along, I'm just going to give them a bit of a quick rough chop. Muddling is basically just crushing, really. It's squishing things to release their flavours, and in the case of these strawberries, to make them a bit more drinkable. That's all my strawberries chopped. These look and smell so pretty. Adding all the strawberries to the jug. What I'm going to add to them is a generous handful of mint. Mint is a really, really nice flavour pairing with strawberries. I'm literally going to scrunch it in my hand to start bruising it and releasing the fragrance. It's going to get more bruised when we muddle, but it will wilt it down a bit. Okay, so the next thing we're adding is the juice of 2 limes. I'm just going to give them a quick roll on the board to sort of loosen things up in there, make them easier to juice. This cocktail's all about crushing things as you go. Squeeze out every last drop. This is a really nice smelling drink between the strawberries and the mint and the lime juice. It is so fresh. For this, we want to try and mush up the strawberries. I've got a wooden spoon here, which will hopefully work. A muddler is a sort of bar cocktail tool with a flat bottom, which is good for crushing, or the end of a rolling pin, or a pestle from your pestle and mortar, or even just like a really big jar, although that wouldn't really work in here. But you know, anything that you can crush stuff with will work in here. So let's give this a go with a spoon, and then I'll give up and go and get a rolling pin. Also, this will take a while. Okay, I think we're mostly there. It's mostly puree now. So what we're going to need to do is add the gin and chill it. I'm going to use the Fatty's gin. It's really lovely. It comes with, ooh! I was going to say it's really fresh and lively. It certainly is. Now, it depends how strong you want your gin and tonic. This serves 4 people, so you want anywhere from about 100 to 200 ml of gin. I'm going to free pour and guess about 200. I think that's about right. And then we're going to need some ice to chill it. Here's some I made earlier. laughing at my own terrible jokes. Need to put plenty of ice in, 1 ice cube at a time with these tongs. There we go. Now we're getting somewhere. I think this will do, that's enough ice. Try to sort of half fill the jug with ice. I'm going to use this lovely big old wooden spoon to give it a stir for a minute or 2 to chill it. And when you're stirring, you're just spinning it round to chill it. The final element, tonic water. You sort of want about 100 ml per person, if not a bit more. This is 200 ml, so in theory, 2 of these. There we go, I think that's perfect. Fill your glass with ice. Again, I'm just like, always be generous with ice, because the more ice you pack into the glass, the longer it stays frozen, so you won't dilute your drink. Then I'm going to pour in. This is where it all goes horribly wrong. There we go. And it's a bit frou-frou, but let's put a little strawberry on the side as garnish. There you go. Is that pretty? And there we have it. That is a very pink, very full strawberry gin and tonic. I'll just give it a quick check. I approve. There we have it. Thanks so much for watching. Cheers.